In this lesson, you're going to learn how to use these repeat blocks, the pink ones. So what they do is they make something that would be very repetitive and take up a lot of room, can be simplified down to a much smaller code using a lot less blocks. This makes it neater and faster to do repetitive programming. So for this activity, what we need to do is we need to collect all of these little pieces of scrap metal, and conveniently they fit into this nice like stair shape pattern where each time it's going forward one, right, forward, left, forward, right, forward, left, forward. Okay, so let me just expand my workspace. There you go. So I'm going to show you now how to do it without doing any repeats. Bear with me, this might take a little while, but here we go. So move forward, turn left, I'll change that later, move forward, turn left, move forward, turn left, move forward, turn left, move forward, turn left. So forward, actually want it to turn right, forward, left, forward, right, forward, left, forward, right. Move forward, turn left, move forward, turn right. Yeah, let's see how that goes. So I'm going to run that. Whoops. So I accidentally chose move backwards, so I changed that to forward. Move right. Didn't quite finish it. Looks like there was another three steps to go. So let's put those in. Move forward. Turn left. Move forward. Turn right. Move forward. Alright, try that again. Alright, so we successfully did it, but this wants us to do it using only 6 blocks. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the loop, or the repeat block. So you'll see, I'll split it up. So we've got move forward, turn right, move forward, turn left. 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 Move forward, turn right, move forward. And we didn't put any more on because that was enough to complete it. But you can see that what I've got happening here is the same thing is happening 5 times or 4.5 times. So instead of writing it out 5 times, I can delete the rest of these. Goodbye. Bring in my repeat. So what I want to repeat, I'm going to put in there. And conveniently, it's already set to 5 times. Let's reset it. Let's run it. There we go. So what took me 20 blocks last time, this time only took me 6. So see if you can do that. See how you go.